And then next we go to the Outlook. Okay, what you see the Outlook is for the email. Okay, actually what are the what inside in here is should be same like your application Outlook that you install. If you set the application Outlook and set up for UMS account, so you will get the same inbox, same send item will be saved in the application. Okay. So what is the different Outlook with the other? Okay, M365 using this Outlook, we have a capability to share the file up to 2 gig. Okay, up to 2 gig. That means uh, before this, when you share attachment using your Outlook or email, they have a limitation of size. Okay, let's say just new message. Okay, this one I just test. Okay, let's say send to Adele. System admin. To test. Okay. So I want to set the file. You can see file attachment here. Can browse from your computer. Browse from cloud location is mean your OneDrive and suggested attachment. That one, this is the recent file that you open. Okay. Let's say I want to browse from cloud location. Okay. Let's say where is some big. Say find some file that's quite big. I need to upload something. Okay, so you can see the limit. If I try to add some attachment that is more than 33 MB, they will not appear. Okay, because there is a limitation. But using the M365, we integrate with the OneDrive, so we can send the file up to 2 gig using OneDrive share. Okay, let's say just still not here. Okay, wait for this file to upload. So inside here, this is a familiar icon in the Microsoft. We have a bold, italic, underline, so you can use to your message. Okay. So inside here also you can have a insert signature. Maybe my network is bad. So if you insert your signature, so basically you can change your signature. This one, okay. Say this is my email. So I just put this my signature inside here. So this is the some of the features lah. So basically, when you see these features, application inside uh, that you install the Outlook. So this is the interface. Okay. It's just the same. You can also attach file this one. Okay, attach file. you can browse from the web location. That means you want to share something using your OneDrive. Okay, and you can edit signature. Also, you can set the high importance your message or low, so the receiver will know which one is more priority lah. Okay, so let me check already done. Okay, I'm trying to file. Okay, let's say you browse from web location and adjust to find. So we have a two option here. The first one, the share link, so recipient can see the latest chat and respond in the real time. This one we share the file as a shareable document. Okay. So if not, we can attach as copy. So everyone receive a separate copy of this file. But this one, I just share a video. It's okay. I just want to share the link. Okay. So I click this one. So inside here, in here we also can edit the permission. Okay, but by default it will appear recipient can edit. So let's say I just want to change permission. Okay, recipient can view only. So the recipient only can view this file, cannot download or edit this file. Okay, it apply to all the file that you share. I mean, if you share Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or video, if you the size is more than 33 megabyte, so you can attach as a OneDrive. Okay, this is we call OneDrive, so you can attach OneDrive and up to 2 gig file. Okay, so you can change the permission. Okay, let's say organization can edit. So the organization can edit mean all all the all the people inside organization. Let's say you are UMS, so everyone that use the UMS email who get this video can edit the video. Okay, so but if I just want to share, organization can view, so all the people that using the UMS email only can view the video. Okay, that's the difference. All, I mean all when we say organization is apply to all the UMS email. Okay, let's say I recipient can edit only the recipient. Okay, let's say I just take one name from your side. Okay, let's say Abu Zahrim share this video to Prof. Dr. Vincent Pang. Okay, that means Prof. Dr. Vincent Pang only can edit this video. But if Prof. Dr. Vincent Pang forward this video to Nur Azliza cannot edit this video, or also cannot view the video because the recipient by default is only the Prof. Dr. Vincent Pang. This is just an example. Okay. Uh, if you put the recipient can edit, only the recipient in this name inside 2 and CC. Okay. Other than that, if the receiver forward to the other click, you cannot edit the video or view the video. Okay, because it will we as a owner we can set the permission. Okay, this file we can attach up to 2 gig. Okay, so it's no issue. There is a limitation on the Outlook to send the email attachment. Okay. Okay. Turn. Okay. So it's same here. Attach from the browse cloud collection. Okay. See this one. Okay. So we can edit this file. Anyone can edit. Same. Manage access. recipient can edit, can view anyone. So this is the features here. So this is just in the Outlook. Okay. Other than that, it's just the same. How you want to send the email. The extra features is you can attach the file that more than the size because we can integrate with the OneDrive. So using OneDrive, we can send the attachment up to 2 GB file.